Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to restore the scene from last played position on VLC Media Player. Open VLC Media Player on your PC. In the top menu bar, click on Tools option. Click on Preferences from the drop-down menu. Head over to Continue Playback section. Select Ask or Always option in the drop-down list. Ask means VLC will prompt a notification whether you want to restart the playback where you left off, while Always will jump straight to your last viewed position and continue the playing. Select your preferred choice and click Save to apply the changes. Now let's test it. Open a media file on VLC. Drag the media pointer to the middle and close the player. When you reopen the file, you will be asked whether you want to play from the last played back position. This is how you can restore the scene from last played position on VLC Media Player. Thank you for watching.